All right, praisers and savers, here is my legal way of saving you money and fighting this inflation. That's right. We got to do something because things just cost way too much. We're heading to Target today. The date is July the 14th, and these deals run to July the 20th. As always, all the deals are digital deals, so you're using your phone to score. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either pull it up on your phone or you can print it off. So let's go ahead and get started. But before you do, I need you to do something for me. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe. So I heard or read an article that Target is going to start slashing prices on items. I guess this is in response to inflation. And so this is the first time I've seen this. So if you see these around the store, new lower price, is pointing it out to you because of inflation. Target and Walmart, those kind of stores are trying to like combat it a little bit and give some people some savings. So I'm excited to finally see those in stores. I'll let you know if I see any good ones around Target today. One of my favorite deals that Target does is the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. The reason I like this one so much is because you can mix and match smaller items. And when you mix and match the smaller out of pocket items, it's going to be able to get your out of pocket cost way down. Now, for this deal I'm about to show you, do what works best for you. But for my family, we needed some things and I was able to get these items down to $8.35. The original cost of these items was $53.35, but I only paid $8.35 for all the items. So these are some great deals. The first deal I got was on the this is the flying insects light trap. I've been trying to get this forever, and my store was not carrying it. And all of a sudden, my store started carrying a bunch of different things. And I'm actually really excited about this because I have some hydroponic gardens on my porch, and this will help with keeping away any of the flies or whatever away from the hydroponic gardens. So, the stem light trap is $19.99 for the kit. If you are a couponer, you know that sometimes it's cheaper just to get multiple of the kits instead of buying refills. That's generally what I do. So $19.99 for this. You're going to go to the Target app. There is a $10 coupon on the Target app. You're going to click that. That is a one-time use coupon. So $19.99, use that $10 coupon, and then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Submitting your receipt to Ibotta for $10 is going to make this totally free. So $10 coupon, $10 Ibotta makes this item totally free. And remember, use this at your discretion. If you don't feel comfortable submitting your receipt to Ibotta for $10, then don't do it. But I'm going to. So that's a total freebie. First up in our spend 50, get a $15 gift card. Now, I love Arm& Hammer products. One of my favorite Arm & Hammer products is going to be the Arm & Hammer whitening toothpaste. I have like 50 containers and I only use that toothpaste. They just started coming out with Arm & Hammer, the Deep Clean Stain Formula laundry detergent. So this is $11.99 for this. Usually when they come out with any kind of new products, there's always high value coupons or high valued Ibotta rebates. So I picked this up. It's $11.99 for this. What you're going to do is you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate for $3 back. You get $3 back on each one. And if you wanted to like change up the bundle of items and get multiples of these Arm& Hammers, you could, because there's a limit of 5 on here. So picking up one of them, it is going to be $11.99. You have that $3 Ibotta rebate you're going to submit. In addition to that, there is a $2 Peely. Now, this $2 Peely is not a coupon, it is another rebate. What you'll do with this $2 Peely is when you get home, submit your receipt with the QR code for this $2 back. So with the $3 back from my Ibotta and the $2 back from the rebate, That's going to make this Arm& Hammer $6.99. I was really excited to see this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser because this is the Ultra Foamy with Dawn. I've never seen this before, but I thought this would be really good to wash dishes with because I hate sponges. I feel like they're always so nasty, and I'd rather have like a clean washcloth every time I wash dishes. So this is the 5 count, $8.99. You don't have to get the Dawn ones. You can get whatever you want, but it has to be the one that's $8.99. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. With that $3 coupon, it's going to make these magic erasers $5.99 for these. Now, you guys know school is starting soon, and your kids' teachers will love you forever and like you for always if you get some of the Clorox wipes. So, the Clorox wipes, the Scentivia is my favorite. I love grapefruit smells. These are $4.99 for these. There is a $1 coupon on the Target app that can only be used one time. So it's going to make these Clorox wipes $3.99. If you don't like these, try a different one, see if the coupon attaches. But this is the one that I picked up. Also, my sister in law pointed out to me that she has not seen any Lysol wipe products in her store. And I checked my store and I don't have any Lysol wipe products either. Does your store have Lysol wipe products? I just feel like it's weird. There's Lysol products, but not the Lysol wipe products. Let me know in the comments if your store doesn't have it as well. Very odd. We need toilet tissue in our house always. So the Cottonelle toilet tissue is $7.39 for the 6 count, which equals 24 rolls. I don't do toilet paper math, whatever. $7.39 for these. There is a $1 coupon on the Target app that can be used one time, making these $6.39. My store does not sell so the grand total for all of these products was $53.35. So with your rebates and your coupons and everything else, the total was going to be $23.35. But because you got that $15 a gift card for spending $50, the grand total for everything was $8.35. That is an insane deal. These are all great deals that you could resell if you wanted to put them in a stockpile to resell. But only spending $8.35 on these items is an incredible deal, especially when the toilet paper was almost that price anyways. Also, I wanted to point this out. This is also a really good one if you didn't do this one last week. This is the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Is $2.79. There is a $1 coupon that makes this toilet bowl cleaner just $1.79. Now, this could be part of the spend 50 get a $15 gift card. So just another item if something doesn't work out, if your store is out of something, you don't like something, this could be an item that you do pick up to put in your cart to supplement. But always check in your store at what items are there and scan them with your Target app just to be sure, if you want to get something different than what I've gotten. So, this is not a deal. This is a question. I always hear, especially on TikTok, that the e.l.f. makeup is really good. And I've really never used e.l.f. makeup. So this is the new e.l.f. makeup Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray for $10. It is hot in South Carolina. It is humid. And so I don't usually wear a lot of makeup in the summertime, but I'm going to try to wear this and see if it tries to help set my makeup a little bit better than what I'm used to, what I've been using. But have you guys ever used any of the e.l.f. makeup products? Let me know what you like in the comments. I might be making a switch over to some of these more affordable makeup products. Now, usually we get this Neutrogena travel size sunscreen totally for free. So totally for free. Usually it's $1.99 for these, but there's usually a coupon for $2 back. But that's not happening anymore. We're not getting that $2 coupon anymore. They've reduced the coupon on the Target app for $1.50. It's going to make the Neutrogena travel size just 49 cents. That is fine with me. I still am going to pick this up. I feel like this is still such a good deal. You guys know I make blessing bags, and sunscreen is something that is much needed in those blessing bags, especially in these hot months around here in South Carolina. All right, I'm really excited about this Oral-B toothbrush deal. I actually did a TikTok while I was in the store with this deal. So what you're gonna do for this is you're gonna pick up three of these oral items, Crest items, Oral-B items. You're gonna pick up three of them, and you're gonna receive a $5 gift card at the end of the transaction. So just pick up three items. You're gonna get a $5 gift card. And so what I ended up doing with this was the items that you see here, I got three items. The total was $12.97 for everything. But I only paid $3.97. So I'm saving $9 on these. So the first thing I did was I picked up this Crest 3D White. It was $3.99 for this. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app. With that $2 coupon, it's going to make this Crest 3D White $1.99. Then you're going to get one of these Oral-B Glide floss picks with the scope. This is the 75 count for $3.99. There is not a coupon or a rebate with this. It's just going to be one of the cheaper items that you're going to pick up to go along with the buy three, get a $5 gift card. Last but not least, you're going to get the Oral-B toothbrush. I got the Vivid one, and it's the 2 count. Now, these toothbrushes were $4.99. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app, making these toothbrushes $2.99. So all three items was $12.97. With the two coupons and the $5 gift card, the total at the register for everything is going to be $3.97, or about $1.32 per item. As a mom, I absolutely love Bactine spray. This is the best go-to spray. I keep this in my little travel size first aid kit. Every single bag has one of these in every car, in the cabinets, in the beach bag, because it just helps to clean all those boo-boos away. Now, usually this Bactine spray is $5.89, but it is 25% off on the Target app. So your total for that is going to be $4.42. What you're going to do for this deal is pick up two of them. When you pick up two of them with that 25% off, your total will be $8.84. Then what you're going to do is you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. When you buy two with Fetch, it is 3,500 Fetch reward points, or $3.50. So that's going to bring your total with the fetch to $5.34. In addition to that, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. $2 back on each one is going to make it a total of $4 back. So with the 25% off, the $4 back from Ibotta, and the $3.50 back from Fetch, the total for it all is going to be $1.34, or about 67 cents per bottle of Bactine. So 67 cents per bottle is a great deal because it started off at $5.89. This Dove body wash is crazy expensive. Like, I've never spent this much money on body wash, but I was like, you know what? Let me try out something different. And this is different. There's all kinds of like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, hydration boost, so many different types of Dove. I was like, I've got to try it because when they have new products like this, it really can tell like this is really going to help my skin. So what I ended up doing was I got the which one did I got the hydration boost, but I was thinking about getting the glow charge. They both smell good. So it's $9.99, which I would never buy for a body wash, but I did get this one. There's a couple rebates. So for the coupon for this on the Target app, there is a $4 coupon. So a high value coupon on the Target app. That's going to bring it down at the register to $5.99. Then, in addition to that, on Fetch, another good Fetch rebate, there is a Fetch reward for 2,250 Fetch points, or about $2.25. So, with that $4 coupon and that $2.25 back from Fetch, your total for the Dove body wash is $3.74. I'll let you know, but please let me know. Have you tried it? Do you like it? I'm excited to try something different. Next is going to be on the Perfect bars. These are great protein bars. So the Perfect bars, there's all kinds, but these are $2.69. There's an Ibotta rebate for a $1.50 back. That Ibotta rebate could be done up to 5 times. So if this is something you want to stock up on, a healthier breakfast option with more grams of protein than you would normally get from, some junk that you eat, would be very good for you. So it's going to make these protein bars $1.19, which is good because it was $2.69 and bringing it all the way down to $1.19. I picked up the chocolate brownie one this time. Now, guys, I don't know how you feel, but anytime one of my kids say they have a headache in the car or at a restaurant, and I can whip out a little bottle of Tylenol or Advil, I feel like a superhero. Like, do you feel like a superhero? Because literally, I'm like, here's the medicine, right? I just feel so special that I can take care of my kids by just couponing and having some of these things in my purse or in my car. So this is the small bottle of Tylenol. It is $4.59. There's one that's $4.99, but this was the cheaper one. There is a $2 coupon. So with that $2 coupon, this Tylenol is going to cost $2.59. Great item to have in your car or in your purse. $2.59. Next is some Skintimate razors. I always get these razors. So these razors are usually $6.49, but for some reason at my store it lists on the app for $5.99. I don't know if they just haven't changed the price sticker or what it is, but $5.99 for the Skintimate razors. There is a high valued $4 coupon. That high value $4 coupon is going to bring these razors down to $1.99. I really go through razors in my house because I like to throw these razors away. I don't use them multiple times. It's just how I am. So I'm constantly picking these up every time I go into the store. So $1.99 for the Skintimate razors just by using your phone and the Target app. Now we love this astringent. So this is the Neutrogena Clear Pore Astringent. You kind of put it on a cotton swab and you're able to clean your face with it. I prefer this over different types of wipes. So this is $6.79. There is a high valued Target coupon for $3.50 off. That is more than 50% off. And so it's going to make this astringent $3.29, which is a great deal. We always use astringent in our house. So yeah, all right, guys, that is it. That is all I have for you, all the magic I have for you going into Target this week. Don't forget about making sure that you comment your favorite deal of the day. Let me know you made it to the end of this video. I always appreciate it when my followers make it to the end of the video. And don't forget to check out that printable breakdown in the description box. There are two printable breakdowns actually going on this week. One for the spend 50, get a $15 gift card, and just one other one for all the other items that are listed in this video. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.